Hello guys, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. Today I'm back with a new thing. No, this is Virus Guard, Kaspersky Virus Guard 2018. I'm going to show you how to install it, how to download it free, and going to how to activate it. So just follow my steps. I'm going to use my favorite Google Chrome. Yes, and this is the link. Don't worry, I will paste this in description below. Yes, it's loading. This is Kaspersky 2018 free. Just click on here, download as zip. It will download, and I'm already downloaded this. Here is my downloaded file. Downloads Kaspersky 2018 free, and extract this. Extract to Kaspersky 2018 free. You need to get WinRAR. Here is Kaspersky 2019 free. Kaspersky, yes, this one. If you open this, it will show connecting to Kaspersky lab server. It takes small time, just wait. Click continue. Install. Yes. It's downloading 165 megabytes. It's take for my internet connection it takes about 20 minutes. I'll short this video. This application has been installed successfully. Thank you for choosing Kaspersky Lab. Share protection with your friends. Show that you care of them. Done. Now it's loading. Protection is enabled. Okay, guys. Please wait. Connect into the server. Register now. Click on this. Email address. Type your email address. Type your email address here and your password. Re-enter. The password must contain at least 8 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Click on this, check this too, and create an account. Taking little time, just wait. Activation completed successfully. Done. Run update. Click on here. Here, key status activate. Free for one computer for 366 days. Activation date, expiration date. Remaining 365 days. That's all, guys. Kaspersky is now active. Thanks for the watching, and I need more questions. If you give questions, I can give answers. Just give me a comment. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. I am Malik with TechWine.